Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level Physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try and answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So the question is, what are the products when a free neutron decays? So we need to see the properties of a neutron, and then we need to see if the properties of these potential products are the same as the property of a neutron. So neutron has a charge of 0. It has a baryon number of +1, and it's not a lepton, so it has a lepton number of 0. So now we just need to see what the properties of these 4 potential answers have. Their charge, their baryon number, and their lepton number. So let's look at question A. Charge of a proton is +1, charge on an electron is -1, charge on an electron muon is 0. So overall the charge is 0, so charge has been conserved. Baryon number, well, proton is a baryon, the other two aren't a baryon number, so overall there's a baryon number of +1. And these are both leptons. So the electron has a lepton number of +1, and the muon has a lepton number of +1. So overall lepton number is +2. So lepton number has not been conserved. A is not a possibility. B, let's look at charge. We've got a charge of +1 for the proton. The positron has a charge of +1. No charge for the muon, but overall we've got a charge of +2. So already that's not a possible answer. Let's look at C. Proton has a charge of +1, electron -1, so those are going to cancel. The muon has no charge, so charge is concerned. The proton is a baryon, the baryon number of +1. The other two aren't baryon numbers, so their baryon number is 0. So overall a baryon number of +1. And lepton number, well, proton isn't a lepton, so its lepton number is 0. The electron is a lepton, so it has an electron number of +1. And the muon is an anti-lepton, so its lepton number is -1. So overall, lepton number is 0. So we can see that charge, baryon number, and lepton number have all been conserved. Quite happy to stop now and give the answer as C. We'll have a look at D and see why that isn't a possible answer. So charge of +1. The positron also has a charge of +1. No charge for the muon, so overall we've got a charge of +2. Already we can see that charge isn't conserved, so not a possible answer. Well, I hope you found this useful. If you did, please press the like button. All comments will be welcome, and I hope you'll share and watch more of these in the series. Thank you.